What if today is the day your life changes forever? Imagine waking up, sunlight pouring through your window, and feeling that spark, the energy, the mindset, the drive to make this day count. This is your moment. Let's go. Every single morning is a brand new opportunity. When you open your eyes, you get to decide, will you let the day control you? Or will you step up and control the day? I wake up every morning knowing the only limits that exist are the ones I put on myself. And you know what? I refuse to let them win. It's not about never falling. It's about how quickly I get back up. I remind myself, success isn't handed out. It's earned, step by step, choice by choice. Even the smallest action toward my goals is a victory. Progress is power. So what's stopping you? Doubt? Fear? The snooze button? Not today. Today you rise. Today you push past excuses. Today you say yes to your dreams, to your growth, to the person you're becoming. If you feel inspired right now, don't wait. Hit that subscribe button and join me. Let's make today the best day of our lives. Your future self will thank you. Ready to make a deeper change in your life? Click the link below to discover the best motivational books that have changed thousands of lives. Transform your mindset, take control of your future, and begin your journey to greatness. Let's make it happen. Remember, the key to success is in your hands. Today is the day. Let's rise, shine, and make it count.